going to see is your occipito frontalis. Yan. So this is the frontalis belly. Okay? So this is, what again this one? Yung nakagano na tawag dito, procerus. And then actually, kung yung ididig pa ito, meron kang muscle na makikita dito, no? No? Anong muscle yun? Yung nasa corner, oh. Anong muscle yun? Ayun, nakita ko na siya. Okay, so kita rito class, no? That is your occipito frontalis. Ayan yung fiber niya. Ito ha, ito. Ayan. Kita mo yung muscle fiber, no? So this is your palpebral. Kita mo yan, yung muscle na kulay brown. So that is your orbicularis oculis, no? So it is composing of the palpebral, and then yung malapit na sa orbit is the orbital part. Yung lacrimal andoon. Okay? And then if you are going to see by muscle dito, anong muscle ito class? Ito. Yan oh. Can you see this? Ha? So this is a part of your orbicularis oculi. So anong muscle yung kasunod? Ha? This is your zygomatic, no? So saan mo makikita yung levator? Levator, superior labi alakinasi. Ha? Saan mo makikita yung muscle na nakaganyan, nakababa? Ayun siya, oh. Ayun. Kita mo? Ayun, oh. Okay, yung from here, and then, kaya labi, didiretso yan hanggang doon. Okay? So, you can dissect properly para ma-identify nyo si minor, major. Okay, anong muscle yung nandito sa may cheeks? Ito, itong muscle na ito, kita nyo yan? Ha? Hindi yan zygomatic, it is covering the cheek. So this is yung vaccinator. No? And then itong muscle na ito, ayan. Ha? Ano yung nandito? Ha? This is your masseter. Okay? And then, try to identify. Okay, yung parotid gland class, ito. Yan, parotid gland yan. Yan, no? Yan, parotid. And then, try to identify kung makikita ninyo si extension duct. You need to identify the extension duct. Saan nanggagaling ang extension duct? Ayun siya, oh. So, this is your extension duct. Ayun. So, the extension duct is coming from the anterior portion of the parotid. Saan siya papasok? Saan papasok ang extension? It will pasok at the vaccinator, no? It will pierce the vaccinator. Saan siya mag-i-exit? Ha? Mr. President, saan mag-i-exit? Ha? Saan mag-i-exit? Saan? Saan mag-i-exit? Ha? Second molar lang? May lower Alin? Lower or upper?
Upper.
At the level of the upper molar. Okay, so inyong iti-trace nyo, no? It will enter the vaccinator. Ito siya, oh. Ito, oh. Ito. Okay? So it will enter sa vaccinator, and then papasok yun sa upper second molar. Okay? Upper second molar. Yung nasa upper. Okay? So, i-trace nyo din sa kabila, no? So, Kasi hindi siya na properly dissected eh. Please, i-dissect nyo and then try to separate, no? And then try to identify yung sunod-sunod na muscle dito sa face. Yung una mo na, zygomatic minor, major, ano yung kasunod? The risorius is found at the corner of the mouth. Anong function ng risorius? Ha? Aling ang smiling muscle. Sigurado kayo? And then after that, may makikita kayong muscle na pababa, no? So you will see your, yan, kita naman, oh, yan, try to dissect. May makikita kayong mentalis and then nandun sa baba yung depressor anguli, no? So anong function ng inyong mentalis muscle? Ha? Ngayon, yung mga nerve, mga facial nerve, ayaw ko kung ma-identify pa natin, no? Okay, so please, ito yung sternocleidomastoid, no? So try to separate your cleidomastoid muscle, ayan ang cleidomastoid, no? So all structures at the back of the sternocleidomastoid are called posterior cervical, no? And then all structures in front of your sternocleidomastoid are identified anterior cervical triangle. So try to identify the different triangle. The mentalis triangle is here. Andito yung submandibular. Okay, bakit tinawag na submandibular? Because it is where you find your submandibular gland. Okay? Yun siya, oh, no? So enlarge yung kanyang submandibular gland. Okay? And then, ang ginawa ng estudyante, pinutol niya, no? Hindi niya siguro alam i-identify. So this is your thyroid. Thyroid ba yan? Ba't nandito? Okay, so this is your thyroid gland, no? Ganyan ba? Okay, thyroid gland. And then, pag tininin yung thyroid gland, where can you find the parathyroid? Nasa likod ng thyroid. Okay? So, try to identify all the... Okay. Talaga yung mga muscle, no? Para makita nyo, ma-appreciate ninyo. Patingin ng yung all the... This is the sagittal section of the head, no? So anong organ ito? So this is your tongue, no? This one. Ano yan? Nung space, this one, yung nasa taas. How many sinuses do we have? How many sinuses do we have, class? 4. O, ano ito? If you're going to look at this, anong sinus yan? No? Nasa may bandang taas. Frontal sinus, this is your... Anong sinus yun? The one that is found inside. That it's very hard to operate. This is your sphenoid sinus. No? And then, nasaan ang maxillary sinus? Andito ang maxillary sinus. So, pag binuksan nyo yan, may butas yan sa likod. That is your maxillary sinus. Nasaan yung isang sinus? Ethmoid. Nasaan ang ethmoid? Ha? Nandito. Anong tawag yan? Sige. Pag nag-practical, dito do. Ha? Anong tawag doon? They are part of your glass. Ha? That is part of your... ano ito? Huwag yung patulong nyo tanggalin to, ha? What structure is this? This is your epiglottis, no? So kung titignan ninyo class, no, remember of your, what are the divisions of your nasopharynx? Inilecture ba ni Dr. Carlo, nasopharynx? Inilecture? How many divisions of the nasopharynx do you have? Or the pharynx per se? Naso? Huh? What are the parts of the nasopharynx? Huh? Okay, pharynx. This is subdivided into hydro. So yan ang inyong this is the tongue, no? So this is the whole of the oral cavity. So if you're going to look at this class, no? What do you call that space that is on the outside of your teeth? Ano tawag mo sa space na yun? Ha? Vestibule, the oral vestibule. And then all of the structures inside of your teeth is considered as the oral cavity proper. Okay? So if you're going to look at the oral cavity proper, anong content ng oral cavity proper? You have the tongue. And then take note that you have your soft hard palate or the hard palate. And then you have your soft palate. That includes the uvula. Okay, so you have your uvula here. And then if you're going to look, no, your pharynx is subdivided into how many subdivisions? Starting from, what is that part of the pharynx that is coming from the nose? Nasopharynx. Okay? And then after your nose, the one that is from the mouth is called oro. And then the last one is the laryngeal pharynx. Okay? So remember that they are being separated, no? So you will see your, this is your vertebra, okay? So take note of this, and then this is what? What bone is this? Huh? Okay, so remember that your tongue is consisting of intrinsic and extrinsic muscle, no? So what you will see here are all intrinsic muscles of the tongue. Okay? And then aside from which, the tongue is also consisting of the extrinsic muscles of the tongue. Okay? So that is, try to identify everything from here, and then again, review all the muscles of facial expression. Okay, what are your frowning muscles? Okay, what is the main function of your, in each of your muscles of facial expression? Okay? And then from there, try to identify. I told you to identify the parotid gland and also try to locate. We have already located the extension duct. Okay? So the extension duct is your parotid duct that is exceeding, okay, through your vaccinator going to the upper molar layer. Second molar layer. Okay? So, and then go to the neck. What are the visceral organs? Okay, so if you're going to look at the neck class, notice how we said that in your carotid sheath, the carotid sheath contains major vessels, no? So you need to open up the carotid sheath for you to identify the different prominent vessels that you have in the neck. Your carotid artery, internal jugular vein, plus your vein. Okay? So you need to take a look at this one. So if you're going to look at this one class, no, take a look at the carotid sheath on the other side. So the carotid sheath on the other side is not yet open. Okay, so you try to open and try to identify the contents of your carotid sheath. Huh? Do you have any questions, class, regarding the head and neck? Okay, so you come now.